and lot of explanation is being given, lot of theories are given, mainly regarding the milk which is coming, having the hormones, and food having the hormones and whatnot. So when we talk about or giving injections to the hen to give egg, and to the chicken to be better, or to the cows to give milk, and that hormone is now going from there and just then coming, and the girls are on that milk and the product, and they are getting all that hormone. But I actually doubt on all that, actually, at least this part, because when we are talking about giving oxytocin or any hormone to a cattle, that the same hormone is coming in the milk, and then we are heating the milk, pasteurizing the milk. Again, that milk comes home. Again, we boil the milk. Again, we cool the milk. Again, we boil the milk, and then that kid is drinking that milk. So how much hormone is actually going through this pathway? It is questionable. The same oxytocin, which is not even available today orally, we don't have oral oxytocin, right? Or even we don't have oral growth hormone till now. So how all this is orally doing the precocious puberty is again a very, it can it can be a good point to put on in the media or the newspaper ki ye sari cheezon se ho raha hai. But practically I don't buy that argument. I don't buy it. But precocious puberty is happening. So from two places it is happening. One is the use of cosmetics. The cosmetics by the young girls using the lipstick and all that, because they contain paraben, and parabens have the estrogenic potential, and directly on the mucosa, so absorption is too much. Okay, that is one. Not from this milk and all that. उनको क्यों हम इतना गालियां देते हैं? Second is the again social jet lag. Now melatonin has a very strong impact on your hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Melatonin balances it. Proven. So melatonin suppresses this pathway. Not always, suppresses till the maturity has to happen. In the patients in whom pineal gland is removed, they get precocious puberty. And the like an pineal gland removal gives precocious puberty, and one of the reason can be no melatonin. Enucleation has shown to do the testicular atrophy. Okay,
Enucleation.
removal of eye, so that light is not going. So now, because this is proven that this melatonin has got some impact on your hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis and the timing, mainly the timing of the maturation. But what happening in last 20 years when we talk about the lifestyle and all those things, we are not respecting this sun moon cycle or sleep wake cycle. We are not letting melatonin to be released because of awakening till late, then getting up early because of the schools and all, sleeping with the light on. Even a small point of light, blue light, can suppress the melatonin release. Because of that, the sexual maturation, like one of the hypotheses I am telling, the sexual maturation is happening early and menarche is happening early. Right? So this is one side of the story. Now let's go to more ahead. Melatonin is not required only for